AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollars. So before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram to get some free signals every now and then, and sign up with these brokers and open a separate account if you want to trade with my signals in the coming future. Don't mix it up. Separate account for my signals, okay, for checking the accuracy. I'll tell you in the future why. So subscribe, like, everything's free. Coming back to the AUDUSD, now this AUDUSD analysis can also be used for NZDUSD. So I don't record separate videos for NZDUSD. So if you want to trade NZDUSD, use the same analysis which I'm doing right now. So starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up, that's all we can say. So we were up, then pull back, and this week we are going up again. But this is only the first day of this week. Monday gone. So on 2nd of June, there is like 1.5 hours before the market closes when I'm recording the video. Okay. So on Monday the candle is blue. Okay, but we have 4 more days to go. This can be red. Only the time will tell. Okay, for now it's on Monday, it's blue. Okay, so what's gonna happen in weekly, we don't really care, because we need to know what's happening in next few hours or gonna happen next few hours. Now in AUDUSD you can see we do not have, we every time you see here, this is a pattern, since here you see we had a pullback, then long blue candle, here pull back, then long blue candle, then pull back, then long blue candle, then pull back, then one single long blue candle, pull back, then one single long blue candle. This is fucking bullshit to me. Okay, I don't like this. Okay, I don't like this structure. I like it to have a gap, nice uptrend, pullback, uptrend, zigzag, So this is like sideways market. Even though it's an uptrend, it's the candles are all above, the EMA, but still, pull back, then one single blue candle, then again pull back, then again another one single blue candle only. So blue candles are not coming in clusters. Okay, it's not like blue candle here, then here, then here, and then we're going up. No, blue candle, then couple of 3 red candles in Delhi, and it's like, it's like just yuck it. Okay, I don't want to trade in this pair for now. Okay, you can get opportunities, you will get opportunities, but what I'm saying in daily chart, it doesn't attract me. Okay, so where shall we enter if we have to take AUDUSD? So go to 4 hours for that. In 4 hours, what do we have? Okay, we are in the uptrend, so no problem. Use your fib levels from here till here, then let the pullback happen. After the pullback, wait for the blue confirmation candle and then go long. Okay, so we are about to be in the overbought zone, so no need to enter buy right now, because from here till here we have been going up. So wait for the pullback, maybe 50%, 60%, 30%. Use your fib levels. After that, the candle of blue, which will eat the previous red candle, then go long. Okay, so trend is up. Look for longs after each pullback. Same in NZDUSD as well. So if you like what you see, subscribe and share, and join Telegram and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.